Okay, go for the next chapter in business, and next chapter is financial market. I think you will know about the market. Okay, market is what beta? Market is the place from where buyer and seller will collected and selling and purchasing are doing the marketing work. Same thing is here, but here the seller and buyer, they are not going to purchase and sell of the goods and services. They are going to purchase and sell about the financial things. It means the market in which we are going to selling and purchasing of the financial goods, financial things, financial head, that market is called financial market. Okay, beta? That market is called financial market. Okay? Means that is same like a market. No problem market. It's a market. Selling and purchasing is there. It's okay. Same. But what changes there? Changes that here we are not going to sell and purchase goods and services. Here we are going to sell and purchase financial things. Shares, debentures, bonds, securities. These are what? These are the financial things. That is called the market in which we are going to selling and purchasing of the financial things. That market is called financial market. Okay, next. What? Function of financial market. First function is beta? Mobilization. All the functions which is given by the simple market, same function is given here by the financial market also. Mobilization. Mobilization means easy to selling and purchasing. Mobile is working in a bike. What? Easy work, easy function by the mobile. Same thing is here. Here by the market, by the financial market, all the head and purchase and sell about the financial things will easy. They are easy will done. Okay, beta. Next. Fascinate. By the market, you are easily set the price, beta. By the market, easily set the price because in the whole market, what price is going on, you are going with that price. Same is here. If the market is there in that financial market, we are going to easily take the decision about your product price. Okay? By the help of market and market condition. Next. Provide liquidity to nature. If you want to sell your goods and for that you have no any market, then that is very proper things. Okay, beta? And if the market available is there, then you are easily go and sell your things or goods and change in cash. So that way, when the financial market is available in the market or in the financial things, so you are easily change your financial things in a liquidity. It means in cash. Next. Reducing the cost of financial function. Because of market, for selling and purchasing will easy, so we didn't give the extra cost for the selling and purchasing or managing the function of selling and purchasing, because in that same market you will go and sell your financial things on the basis of less cost. Next. Types of financial market. Two types of financial market, beta. Capital market and money market. Capital market and beta money market. Money market for the short time funds, securities. Okay, beta. And capital market for the long time funds. The market in which we are going to arrange the short time fund or current type of fund. For that we are going to go for the money market, and the market in which we are going for the arranging the long time fund, it means share, debenture, bonds for the long period, they are called what? Capital market. So first we are going for the money market. Money market means beta, and the market in which we are going to short time selling and purchasing of short time bonds, share, debenture, all the things. Okay, that will consider for the short term. There is no share and debenture. Okay, beta, there is the bond, commercial paper, call money, treasury notes, bills. These are going to sell on the commercial market because this in money market, Because in this money market we are going for the arranging of short-term finance. Okay, now go first. Next is features of money market. First, it's for the short term. Same thing what I am saying. The money market for the short term funds. By the money market we can easily arrange the short term funds. Next, means no need. We didn't divide the place. Okay, beta. Easy to convert in cash. Okay, next. In money market, some legal thing is there, some rule and regulation is there, some Company Act is there, SEBI, the stock exchange, they all are working there. So some rule and regulation is set by that. By that, they are giving the security of this market also. Next. Now we are going for the main instrument what we are going to utilize in the money market. Okay, beta. The first is call money. Are you know about the call money? Call money is money that is taken by the one bank to other bank for the short period. As like that, A bank had less cash, but they are needed more money for the payment. So they are going to take the money from the B bank for the short periods, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. Okay, beta. And by that they are going to pay the money. And when arranging the money, then just go back to pay B. That is called call money. Okay, beta. That is called call money. Next. Treasury bills. Treasury bills by issuing by the government or RBI. You say the RBI. Okay, beta. That day was the 30 days or that. Any type of payment of government payment that is managed by the treasury bill, beta. If your father is working in the government sector, beta, na, so they are saying that in March all the fund is coming on treasury, and that after that we are taking the budget from the treasury, from the different government sectors. Okay, beta. All the transaction, all the distribution of money, all the fund, all the finance providing by the government or by the RBI by the utilizing of treasury bill. Next. Commercial is like a check, bill payment, bill receivable. That is what? That is all the commercial bill. 45 days, 30 days, that period is there. Okay, beta. Next. Commercial paper. That written bill or written draft, written document by which they are going to arrange the money, that is called as like a commercial papers. Okay, beta. In the business, many type of paper is there, many type of system is there by which they are going to arrange the money, are going to set your money or arranging your money. That is called the commercial papers. Next. Fixed deposit, bonds, and Indira Vikas Yojana. Certificate is there, beta. These are what? These are like a certificate of your deposit. When you are going to open the account or going to deposit your money in post office, in bank, they are giving one certificate for that deposit. That is called certificate of deposit. Next. Next is the capital market. Just opposite of the money market. Money market for the short-term cash, short-term loan, short-term fund, and this capital market for the long-term fund. By the capital market, we are going to arrange the long-term fund, means bonds, debentures, shares, long-term debts. That type of thing is selling and purchasing in a capital market, beta. Okay. Next. Nature same. They are working in a long-term heads, long-term system. Okay, beta. Long-term bonds, long-term funds. Next. By that we are getting the opportunity of the arranging the different type of funds. Next. Utilize. What utilize? Utilize intermediate. I think you know about that. for the arranging the cash of the capital market or money market, or for the share market, I will say the stock exchange. First you are going to open one account as like a demat account. That will come in the next topic, beta. Demat account, and that demat account will open on the one agencies, and when you are going to purchase or selling the things, so you are going to utilize that agency. They are what? They are like a mediators. Okay beta, they are mediator between the investor and seller. Next, by the capital market we are easily determine the structure or system of the capital, because we have many type of option. As like that, you are not able to decide what type of vegetable make in your home today. When you are going to market, just see the different type of vegetable, then you are taking a decision beta. Same way here, on the time of making the structure or fund system in your company or fund, you are not able to manage. But when you are going in the market, then you are seeing, oh, we have this resources. From that we are easily arrange our capital. So then you are easy to make your capital structures. Next, all type of market beta, many rules and regulations that will make by the government is followed, because there is case of security of the investors. For the security of the investor, government is given the different type of rule, and that rule will followed by the all type of market, because here selling and purchasing of the finance, money, so security is needed. Next, types of capital market, two type of market, primary market and secondary market. Okay, primary market and secondary market. When any company first time issuing his share or debentures, first time, that market is called primary market. Okay, and after the first selling, that share or debenture is going to the selling and purchasing in the market again and again, that market is called secondary market. Okay, first time when company issued his share and that going to sell on the first time, so first time that share is selling in a which market? That market is called primary market. And after that selling and purchasing, that is what? That is the secondary market. Okay, next. Yes, how to float it in the primary market, primary or money market? Anyone? Definition is clear or not? Primary market and money market. It's clear na beta? In primary market, I think nothing is given more. Anything else there? Directly go to the money market. And in money market, first heading is? First is? Money market. What? Short period? First is primary market, and then second is the secondary market. So in primary market we are going to first time where the selling in market, that market is called primary market. After the selling and purchasing, that is in which market? That is the second market. So primary market is okay na? So go for the secondary market. Anything else is given for the primary market? That is the prospectus beta. That is the way or prospectus by which we are going to issue in a primary market. Okay? Okay, tell me. First is what? Public issue. Before the selling, I think you will remember the share capital chapter, company account. First we are giving the ad beta. That is what? That is the prospectus issuing in the market for purchasing of what? Shares. Okay beta? For the purchasing of shares. Same thing is there. On that I am giving the short way. If we are going to give the ad in a paper or any other things, then public is interested to purchase your share, they are giving the application. That is there. Next, offer for sale. Then application is coming, then company is going to the offer for sale. Okay, I am ready for the selling the things. If you want to purchase, then take your application or send your application. Next. One is direct placement, means you are giving all money and take your share or debentures, or you say your funds. Okay, beta. Next. Right issue. Right issue means beta. Right means adhikar is there. So all the old shareholder. Sometime we are going to issue the right issue. Right issue means beta, when we are giving the right to the old shareholder to first purchase of the new shares, that is called right issue. Okay, beta. If we are going to selling or issuing our share as like a right issue, so in this right issue, first this all new share will purchase by the old shareholder. If old shareholders are not taking the interest to purchase this, then we are going for the new shareholders. Okay, that is called right issue. Next. Electronic issue as like a stock exchange, as like a net system, as like a agencies. Okay, they are given the electronic way. The money is coming in electronic way in your, cut from electronic way in your bank, and share will come on electronic way in your demat accounts. Next. Now we are going for the secondary market, and secondary market is clear or not? Secondary market, what is the secondary market? It's clear or not? Okay, go for the next.
Stock exchange.
Okay, secondary market means beta, that these two, stock exchange and SEBI, will come in the secondary market. Okay, first up to this revise, then we are going for the two head we have. Two market we have. One is the stock exchange, one is the Nifty. Okay, two we have, Nifty and stock exchange. But I think in this year syllabus, only stock market is there, and then SEBI. SEBI is not the market beta. SEBI is the board. They are making the all type of rule and regulation for the stock exchange. First revise up to this, then we have. Okay.